Happy New Year, everybody. I am Kate Dillon from Crate Insider, and I have a great product lineup to show you guys today. If you're running a quick change rear end, or if you're running a Ford 9-inch, one product, if you're not already using it, that you're going to want to take a look at is the Daytona 1 3060 gear oil. Now, the reason why is that when we have gear oil, a lot of the other gear oils, they will have parasitic drag. And what that means is as those gears are going around, and if that oil sticks to itself, you could have a gear that starts out this big, but with all the oil that gets collected on it, it could get bigger and bigger and bigger. What we want a rear end or a gear lube to do is we want it to come in, we want it to lubricate, and we want it to go off of there. And that is what is also going to keep things cool, because the longer you have that oil just sitting and having friction and touching each other, it's going to get hot, and that's always going to reduce your performance. So the 3060 gear oil, even if you don't have to worry about it being too thin. This has been used in so many different kinds of cars, and it's a great solution for getting the best performance. Now that we're in the off season, this is a great time of year to run a leak down test on your engine. So especially if you're wondering, hey, do I have another season in my engine? Does it need to be freshened? Then a leak down test is really the best thing you can do. And you can check out our video. We've got a video showing how this works. But how I can just tell you quickly is that you'll hook up your air hose to it. You'll stabilize this at 100 pounds or 100 PSI on one end. And then on the other dial, then you will see how much of a difference it is, actually how much is coming out of your engine. So anytime we have like 10% or more, that's where you really want to start taking a look at that. So a leak down tester, this is from Longacre, and it's a great choice for you to figure out if it is time to freshen your engine. A really handy tool to have on hand, if you haven't seen this before, this is a pop bit, and this is a drill bit. Now, what's great about it is if you are like trying to remove the rivets from your car, and you've ever used just a regular drill bit, you know how these get totally stuck on your drill bit, and then you have to go in front of the trash and get out of pliers, and then you're just trying to pry them all off. What's really cool about the pop bit is that at the end of this, it's just a little bit bigger. And so as you see, these rivets just kind of float on here very easily. So all you would have to do, remove the bit from your drill, and you can drop them right in the trash. So such a super handy tool or tool accessory to have on hand. And of course, we've got them in the Crate Insider store. We've definitely seen the popularity of the 525 engines growing. And a big question is, how do you change the valve springs on a CT525? Well, this is a great tool from our friends over at LSM Racing Products. And you can go ahead and check out, we've got a totally separate video. I have Tim Smith from LSM Racing Products showing us how to use this tool. So you can head on over, we'll put a link in that description so you can see exactly how to use that. Anytime there's a new season, there are certain products that you're going to want to replace. Just, if nothing else, for your peace of mind, and you can always take your others and put them as a backup. One of those things is spark plug wires. Rather than waiting for spark plug wires to short out or to shred or to fail on you in any way, shape, or form, replacing your spark plug wires is a great way to start the season. And one of our favorites here is the fast fire wire. These have a really, really low resistance. It's about 30 ohms per foot as far as resistance goes, and they are heat safe to, I believe, 450 degrees. So they really keep your spark going and keeping it strong. So the fast fire wire, that is a recommendation from us here at Crate Insider. And of course, we always keep these in stock. Now, if you're putting a brand new chassis together, or if you're just refurbishing what you have, then you are definitely going to need some rod ends, heim joints, whatever it is that you want to call them. To make things convenient for our racers here at Crate Insider, we have a few different kits that we've put together from FK Rod Ends. And this one here, I believe, is the Rocket kit or the Longhorn. Well, we've got them for Longhorn, Rocket, or even for a Barry Wright. And so this has the whole collection of the different rod ends and heims that you need need for your car, and we just try to make it easy. That way you can just click one button and have everything you need. Of course, we do sell all the items separately as well, so you're welcome to purchase any of our rod ends, and of course FK is the best of the best. So FK rod ends kit, a great way to put your car together. So there you have it. Those are some of our picks right here for the first week, a real week in January. As you're putting your car together, it's back into build season now, and I know these races are going to start up faster than we can even know. So rather than calling me the day before a race, now's a great time to pick up some of these items. I want to thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.